daughter. Come back here. Leave her alone. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Why are you dragging her?
Are you mad?
What has she done? Yes, I'm asking you.
You're very stupid.
You're very stupid.
Nonsense.
You slapped me. Master, you slapped me.
Who slapped you?
Slap me. Yes.
Knee very well.
No, that very well, yeah.
Raise your hand. Carry your hand up.
Come on. You want to eat food? Coming to pick food is from my table.
Can you imagine?
Are you a boy?
I wonder. You can see. It is only my sons that can eat from here.
I cannot waste my money on my money on my food on the girl child.
For what?
Girl. Why are you not a boy?
Why are you not a boy?
Want to eat food?
Want to eat?
Yes.
Very stupid girl. Raise your hand. Stand up.
Stop looking at me.
You look at me, I'll shoot my hand inside your eye. Idiot.
Okay. Why is my daughter kneeling down? Why is my daughter? Come back here. Come on, leave her alone. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Why are you dragging her?
Are you mad?
What has she done? Yes, I'm asking
You're
you.
very stupid.
You're very stupid. You slapped me. Master, you slapped me.
Who slapped you?
Slap me. Yes. You're very stupid. Raise her head! Press it! Press it! Give her baby! See what your father did to me.
Sorry, Mama, you will be fine.
Now, Miss Oma, tell me. What did you do to them that made them kept you kneeling? What did you do?
I did nothing to them, Mama.
Are you sure? Miss Oma, what did you do that made them kept you kneeling? Don't lie to me. You know lying is not good. Tell me the truth.
I picked food that fell from their plates.
Is that the reason Masere knocked you on your head?
Yes, Mama.
Miss Oma, you know it's not good to pick food that fell from the plate. I didn't train you like that. Don't do that next time, okay? I bought bread for you. Take. Eat. Take it. Don't worry, eat bread, okay?
Mama, why are we always eating bread?
Don't worry, my daughter. Everything will be fine, okay? Just eat your bread and drink your water.
Somebody help me! Nothing happened to you. Nothing happened to you. Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Okay, what is it? Must you be shouting my name and running?
Wait now.
I am waiting. What is it?
Haven't you heard?
Heard what? Ashere. Heard what?
It's about Ugochukwu, son of Ngozika. He was struck with a very strange illness.
Yeah. Strange illness, Ikwa.
As I'm telling you, his whole body is covered with dark spots.
Hey, Kuzina.
See, as a matter of fact, he's at the point of death. For him to survive this thing now, it's in the hands of God though.
Hell, that fine boy. Yeah? Okay. Why are you scratching?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Shimo. Okay, what is this thing on your face?
I don't know what is wrong with me. Oh, come and help me and scratch my back.
Come and scratch what for you?
Come and scratch
Don't
me
come
now.
close to me, yeah?
Aye.
Don't even come close to me, oh.
Okay. Aye. Oh, no, wait for me now. Wait. Aye, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah. Aye. Oh, yeah. Aye. Aye. Oh.
Woman, I have neither seen nor come across this type of sickness all my years as a herbalist. This sickness is beyond my capacity.
Ekwe, please help me. Help me, this is my only son. The only child I have. The only hope. Please don't allow anything to happen to him.
This sickness is obviously incurable. He has gone beyond the world of humans. I am afraid he might not make it. I have to go.
No. Ugu, please don't do this to your mother. No, you are my only hope. No, I can't. Ugu.
Okay, yeah. Huh? Okay, what is that? Huh? Okay. Hey! Okay, Choku. Okay.
Oh my goodness. What again? Where is this strange sickness coming from? But wait, is this not the son of Mazi Egon? No. Something is wrong. Something is really wrong in this community.
What is going on?
Ichi, I'm just seeing this as you're seeing it now.
Hey.
There is fire on the mountain. Oh yes, I got the nakreka.
This must be this sudden disease that has suddenly taken over our land.
Exactly.
Hey.
But let me ask you,
Yes?
must we fold our hands and watch this strange sickness take us one after the other?
No. Otoye, we must do something about this because nobody knows who will be the next victim.
Exactly. Look at, our king is now sick and incapacitated. We need to go and see Onowu to discuss about this strange illness.
Yes.
And the way to solve the problem. If not, all of us will be a victim to this.
Otoye, the first thing we must do now is to rush to Onowu's house right now.
If that is the case, let's be going because there is no time before things will be late.
we all heard what Bokrikbo said in there.
Yes.
That we buried a stranger.
You are quite powerful.
And that is the cause of all this strange death. What do we do?
It is same Bokrikbo that will tell us what to do. Because there must be ritual or sacrifice we should do to cleanse our land.
My elders, let's not worry. It's the same Bokrikbo. We still find the ending solution to this problem. Let's go home.
Okay, let's wait for Bokrikbo.
Yes.
Let's wait for him.
My beautiful daughter. Mesong, how are you?
I'm fine. Mama, why are people in this village dying like fowls?
My daughter, that I cannot tell. The strange disease that has taken over our land.
Mama, does it mean there is no strong healers that heal the people of this disease?
No one, my daughter. You see, this disease is incurable. And it's only the gods of our land that will save us.
Shy, I wish I have the powers to heal.
Don't worry. God will come to our rescue. Okay? Okay, let's try and pluck this orange.
Who are you? Show your face.
This is the voice of your ancestors. You have been chosen to heal your people of this strange disease.
But how? I am not a healer.
It is your destiny. Your tears and pains has reached the high heavens, and your sheep has decided to honor you with a special gift. Now, for your right. Go! Go into the forest now! Go! Stop! Look at the tree there. No, not that one. The other one. Yes, that is the tree. Take a careful look at that tree. That is called Ozondu leaf. It has healing powers. Use it to heal anyone that is infected by this strange disease that is ravaging your people. Heal them at no cost. Don't ask anyone for money. The disease was sent by the enemies of your people. They want to use your people for experiment with an intention of reducing your population. But the gods of your ancestors have said no, that the plans of your enemies will not prevail. Now use it to heal anyone that is with the disease. Your oppressors must be put to shame. Don't worry. I will tell you how to use the leaf. Now go. Go!
What kind of sickness is this? My son.
I can hear him.
Eh? Little girl, what are you talking about? Eh? We have gone to all the hospitals in this village and we cannot find healing. Even Ezedibia, the most powerful native doctor in this village, said this sickness cannot be healed. What are you talking about? Eh? My son, my son. Oh.
The clothes I put there. Why did you remove it? Why did you remove the clothes I had on the room? Can you imagine? I'm asking you, or you're asking me back. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Hey! You push my husband! You push me! I will carry you! Push him! What is it? It is you that caused this thing! It is him,
Mazono, what is it? Your daughter is a great healer of our time. Eh? Yeah. Yes. What happened? She healed my son of a strange illness.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey! Hey! Mama!
I want to appreciate you for this kindness.
No, I don't need your money.
No, please, I want to appreciate you. Please, take the money.
Give it to my mother.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. Oh. May God bless you. You this boy? Yes.
I'm very fine.
Yes. You're fine. He's fine now.
Yes.
Thank you. God bless you.
Forgive me that. Come on. I will kill you in this house. He's in this house now. I will not contain all of us. Where is that man? Where is he? I will kill you.
Tell me the truth. Is it true you healed their son?
Yes, Mama, I did.
But how? How did you do it?
When I was fetching firewood.
Take a careful look at that tree. That is called Ozon leaf. It has healing powers. Use it to heal anyone that is infected.
What?
That was what happened.
Hey! My goodness. My ancestors. Miss Onwam, you are now chosen to be the healer of our land. Oh, thank you, my ancestors. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Obi, did you see the nonsense they did there? Eh? Did you see it?
Which nonsense are you talking about?
Obi, what they did there was just a melodrama. That was what they put up there.
What do you mean by melodrama? How?
Which one is what do I mean by a melodrama? Eh? They did that thing just to get you attracted. That was what they did so that you can love them. Hi!
See, let me tell you. There is nothing like a melodrama in that thing. Have you forgotten that this sickness is everywhere in this village? It is real. So, call it melodrama. No. That thing is real.
Can you imagine? Which one is real? So you are believing them, Obim? Since when has Mesoma become a healer? Or is there any healer in your lineage?
That is where the confusion is coming from. You know, I'm just trying to figure it out. How did she become a healer overnight? How did it happen? Because I know that there is no history of a healer in our lineage. But I must find out. I will find out.
You better find out too. You better find out because, hey, those people, they are out for something. Find out before they make use of your head.
Make use of my head? It's not possible now. Before anybody will use me, I will use my head.
Hey.
No, but I'm telling you now. Don't worry, I will follow this thing up. I will find out. It is still surprising. Just heal somebody, heal sickness. With just one black one, leave.
Just leave. Just like that. Ha! Okay.
Is it that you did for those people that they were hailing you? They even gave you money. What happened?
I won't tell you anything.
Why? But I'm your father.
No, you hate me.
Me hate you? Don't say that now. I can't hate you now. You are my daughter, my beautiful daughter. I can't hate you. Tell me what you did for them. Did you actually heal their son? Did you do that? Tell me what happened. Give me the information.
Mesoma.
Mama.
What are you doing here? Come, let's go inside.
Wait. Can't you see I'm talking to my daughter?
Your daughter? I don't understand. Since when did she become your daughter? Eh? So she's now your daughter now. Then please, let's go inside.
What are you doing with these people? Eh? I've told you that they want to play with your intelligence. They want to manipulate you. That's why they prank you so that they can have values. So you don't chase them out of this house. I told you they are fooling you. Leave them alone. Chase them out. Remove them from this house. You don't want to agree. I don't know what your problem is, so.
Just take it easy. I will do that. But I just want to apply diplomacy.
What nonsense diplomacy? What rubbish? Do they use diplomacy to chase people out of the house? Biakobim, don't get me angry. You better chase them out of this house, else I will leave your house.
No,
I will leave your house.
Don't do that now. It has not gotten to that. Take it easy. Bring down the volume. I will do everything. I'm promising you. I will do it.
I don't understand what you're saying. In fact, I'm leaving. I'm leaving this house.
No.
I'm going.
Remember. Don't go. Please come. Reduce volume.
Like this. Hope everything is alright.
Me that is running to you to share a good news with you. I now did a bad thing, Shebi.
What news?
We have a very powerful healer in this village.
Healer kwa? Yes, how and who could that be?
You don't know?
I don't know.
Ha. Miss Oma, that small girl.
The small one.
The small one. The daughter of Maz don't know her. She healed Ebere, the son of Ugumba, of that strange disease.
Uloma, you must be joking.
Me, joking? Do I look like a joker to you? You're even the one I'm supposed to call a joker because I don't see how the news is everywhere and you are the only one that have not heard it.
But wait though, this news is not clear to me. How come?
Because in the history of their family lineage, I've never heard they have any healer of any kind since I've been in this village.
Whether their family lineage has a healer or not, it's not my business. What I know and I'm very happy about is that we have a very powerful healer in this community. And that illness is not reaching me.
Oh God, thank you. This is a good news to take home. Let me leave you, I'm going. So let me go and tell my mother.
You want to leave me and go? Let's go now.
No, let me go and tell them. Don't worry, let me go and tell them.
Okay.
Turn her around.
Hey, our ancestors, I thank you. I'm so proud of you.
You are here. Now, my beautiful daughter. My daughter is okay. Yes. Ijoma. Thank you so much. Thank you. In fact, God will keep giving you this kind of a daughter.
One daughter that is more than 7 sons.
Chineke! Ijoma. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mesomo, how much will I pay you for healing my daughter?
No, I don't need your money.
No. You deserved it. It's a reward of your work. But don't worry. Take it all. Ndemo, take this whole thing. You deserve it.
Give it to my mother.
No, thank you.
Oh, I should be the one thanking you. I should be the one thanking you. Mazi, you have seen the work of your daughter. In fact, this girl is a blessing to your family.
That is, I don't even know how to begin to thank God. You know, I beg God, I say, give me a great child. God answered my prayer, and the way she was given birth to, I saw this mark on her face, shining like gold, man, her greatness.
How? Let me tell you, God is going to give you many more children like this.
If it is like this that a girl child is, let me have more.
Hey!
I'm waiting to work, man. That is you never know. What is this? You can go. No problem. She's fine.
Ijoma, I have to take my leave now. And remember, tomorrow, my daughter Suto is coming. Okay. So I'm inviting all of you to come and enjoy.
Okay.
The God will bless you.
Thanks to you too. Take
my
care of your
daughter. Meso, try and come. Bye-bye.
My beautiful daughter.
Adam.
Hey, Adam.
Because Sheba Ponu. What is this? Are you normal? Are you okay? Obi, what is the meaning of this?
Did you not see what happened?
What did you just say? So my son here is not important.
That is not what I said.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Wait, Did you not see what happened?
Obi, if I lose my temper on you,
lose temper.
If I will not do.
Come, not do.
Come what?
Come what?
My son is like, if you go anywhere,
What happened?
Obim, come back here. I said come back here before Amadio has sliced your double left leg. Come back here, Obim. Hey! Imagine Obim raining praises at that little brat. Look at the way he was just talking, embarrassing me, disgracing me. I have suffered.
As if you have lost your mind. What happened?
I'm worried.
Worried about what?
I'm worried about how stupid you have become.
Is that supposed to be an insult or what?
If you like, think or reason anything in your head, that is your business. Just look at the way you were raining praises on that little brat because of that abracadabra she was doing there. Have you asked yourself where she got those powers from? Have you? That little girl and her mother are witches. That is where they got their powers from. If you don't know.
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? I don't understand.
What I'm trying to say is that little brat and her mother, they are witches. And if you don't take care, they will use it upon us.
Sometimes I wonder if you have sense at all. Yes, now that you should be bothered about the money these people are making. You are here talking about being witches. Does it matter? Even if they like, they should be wizards, they should be anything or come from coven. The most important thing now is to ask ourselves where they got the powers from so that you can begin to imagine the amount of money they are making. If they got the money from anything, it's not a problem. They are making the money. And the most important thing now is that this girl is becoming more influential. Look at everywhere in the community. If you go out in the community now, everywhere Mesoma, you're here talking about where they got the power from. She is making money. And you are here, me and you. It's just one kobo. I don't have kobo here. And they're making money. You're here talking nonsense. So
Hey, Obi, my husband, oh. They have cast a spell on you, Obi. That's why my husband no longer thinks straight, because they have put something in your body, Obi.
Me? Yes. Put something in my body? You know it's not possible. Nobody can do that to me. It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Yes.
That's what you're saying.
Yes.
If it's not possible, why have you not sent them packing? Why have you not chased them out of this house, Obim? In fact, the other day you chased them out and you brought them back because of their witchcraft power. They have invested it in your body. That's why you don't want to chase them out. Obim, you better chase them out of this house. So I'm warning you.
If they call you Masri or Amasri, let me just tell you, for the very first time and last time, don't expect me to throw away a life giver. Do you know what you are telling me to do? A girl that is healing people. This disease, nobody in this whole world can heal this disease. Only this girl. And you want me to throw her out. Forgetting that she's my daughter. My only daughter. Let me tell you. Do you know that in this whole community that we have this disease everywhere? And this disease is affecting people. What if this disease affects you or me in this family? Who is going to heal you? Is it not the same girl that you want me to throw out? That girl is a powerful child. That girl is a girl that is more than 7 sons. So don't ever advise me to throw her out of this house. I need her more than I need anything.
Obim, you're saying this to me. Obim, you're saying this to me. If anything happens to my unborn child, if anything happens to my son, Obim, I will chase you out. In fact, I will fling you out of this house.
Let me tell you, the son I have not seen. This is the daughter that I'm seeing here. If I go, this one now is making money already. I don't even know the future of this one. So don't even try that nonsense with me.
Obim, you are talking to... Okay. You're working out on me. Amado has struck that your double left leg. Obim, you are doing this to me. You don't love me. Obim! Come back here. Obim, I said come back here.
Hello. Your engineer Neku. Okay, PA. Tell the engineer that I send the message. I send the message for the contract. I send the message, no feedback. Okay, he will get back. I should send the message again. Okay. Check him here. What is it?
Obim.
You are not sleeping again?
We need to talk.
Talk about what?
Obim, you have to go and find out where that little brat, Mesoma and her mother, where they got that power from.
Wait, is this the reason you left the sleep that you should be enjoying and come here to disturb me?
I don't understand. So what I'm saying is not enough to bother you.
Why should it bother me? It is a good thing that is happening. So why should I be bothered?
Obim, you better go and find out where Mesoma and her mother is getting their power from. Because as it stands now, I am not comfortable with what is going on in this house. They are witches. And I don't want them to harm my baby boy. Please, I don't want anything to happen to my unborn child.
I don't know why you always like to worry yourself about these people. Allow them to be. You're always stressing yourself about this Mesoma and her mother. Let them be.
So you now place Mesoma and her mother first before me, Obim? Is that what you're trying to say? Eh?
See.
Obim.
Engineer, no feedback.
Obim, I'm talking to you and you're ignoring me. For what? For what?
What is this now? Can't you say that I'm sending proposal? I'm waiting for feedback from engineer. Go and sleep.
What nonsense feedback? Obim, if anything happens to my unborn child, if anything happens to my boy, I'll hold you responsible. You better go and find out where Mesoma and her mother got that power from.
Okay, it's okay. I will do that. I will go and meet Agunsi. Yes, I will meet Agunsi this night. I will leave this place and go and meet Agunsi. Or the too much in Jogogo. Yes, now. You need answer now. Where they're getting the power from.
With this kind of phone.
I will see it in here. I don't see it. Yes, I'll ask it.
Okay, you ask it.
Imagine.
You silly?
Yeah, my phone.
Hey, you just a local boy. You're a local man. Hey, silly. I'll say him silly. He can't even. Please. Obim, please. Go and find out where they got that power. If not, this house will not contain both of us. Don't worry. I've told you my own. Okay. Go and be contacting Silly. It's not seen anything.
Which kind of trouble is this? Shouting here, this deep in the night. I will begin to ask Gogo where they got the power from. Engineer, they don't feedback. What if I have them back? Okay. What is happening? Why are you doing like this now? What happened?
I want indomie, egg, and beer.
All of them at the same time? But we don't have all those things in this house. Indomie, beer, and egg. We don't have them. So how can we get it? How do you want me to get it?
Which one is how do I want you to get it? Can't you go to the market? Go to the market and buy it. Or better still, give me the money.
Give me which money? Do I have money? You know I don't have money. You should consider my situation. You know I don't have work now. I don't have any work that I'm doing now. Okay, if I have money, would I be here eating palm kernel? Consider my condition.
I don't care at all. This baby needs indomie, egg, and beer. That's what he wants.
Wait now. What is it?
Obi.
What is it? Wait now.
It's vibrating.
No. Stretch it. Hey. We're going to see what will happen. Just go inside now. Sleep small so that the baby will also sleep. Then when the baby will wake up, I will arrange for all these things. I can borrow money. I will borrow money. it's okay. Biko. My baby. Biko.
Okay.
It's okay.
No problem.
It's okay. I go.
But make sure you buy it.
I will try.
Indomie, egg, and beer.
3 of them.
Yes.
At the same time.
Yes.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem. It's okay. Because it's okay now. Just go and rest. Eh?
Okay.
Rest. How can baby need Indomie, egg, and the beer? Heineken. How can a baby be drinking beer? If they born this child now, he's going to become a Sofian. Drinking beer from womb. You have not said what you want. Because I know that it's not my baby that needs this beer. You are the person that needs the beer, not my baby. No, I use my course. More my course ever. I just go and call you. Hey! Look at. Okay, this is what the master saw. Master na longer throat. Master na belly. Father go. Ọkpọnụ ndomi. Na-akwa. Ndomi a egg. Hey! Table at turn. Table at turn. Table has turned. They are the one holding the flag now. Hi! Meso is not making money. Oh, she's making money. She's making money. How? I am supposed to be in charge. I'm supposed to be in charge of all this money now. But I told her that she's not a child. Hi, child is child. Pikin na pikin. Should I go? No. But I have to go. Meme. Boy, IJ, baby. IJ, my wife, my love.
Please eat your food. Take it.
This door.
Hi.
Let's close this door. It's like
the food is very sweet, Abby. Eat. Take more egg and eat more egg.
Is this Indomie egg?
It's chicken pepper soup.
Meme.
Please don't mind him. Eat more egg. Open your mouth. Eat more. Eat as many eggs as you want. Drink your mineral.
My daddy. It's your daddy, you.
Yes, woman. This food is very sweet. The Indomie is very sweet, especially with egg.
Yeah.
Take more egg. Nebiko eat.
IJ.
Don't tell me you're okay. Eat more. If you want another one, I want to prepare another one. You want another one? Eat and get satisfied.
Mama, call me to join you now. What are you?
Hey. Should I give you more egg? Take. If you finish, do you want me to prepare another one? What do you want? Chicken? Chicken pepper soup? Or nkwobi? Don't worry. You want chicken or nkwobi? Or you want me to prepare more egg for you? Don't worry, eat your food. Drink your mineral.
Eat your dear. Ijem.
This food is very sweet. Also, let me eat. Easy. Don't worry, don't rush it. Don't worry, prepare another one with plenty egg and chicken. Share there's still chicken in the house. Mommy, eat egg.
This door, I will come and I will call the carpenter that will fix it.
Don't tell me you're tired. Take all the egg. Take all the egg, eat all of them, put them in your mouth. Put. You can't finish it. Okay, don't worry. Eat small. Then eat the remaining one.
My sweetheart.
Then eat indomie.
My baby. Man, the food will finish you. Daddy is here.
Eat, oh yeah, take more egg. No, wait, take the mineral. Take more egg. Oh no. More egg. Nonsense. A full man. No, it's not indomie. It's chicken pepper soup. You're calling carpenter to come and fix iron door. Nonsense. Because you eat your food, Joe. Aye, nah,
it's your Noah. You know when I advise you, you don't listen to me. I told you that marrying a second wife does not mean you should start treating your first wife and her daughter like trash. Now look at it now. The daughter you call worthless and useless is now the messiah of the village. She's now the most powerful woman in this village.
Ikenga. King, if you see money. Ikenga, if we go. King, if you see the kind of money this girl is making every day. Iliego, sinenego daeba jiopu. Skyscraper. If you see money. If I broke go no. Ikenga, if you see the kind of food these people are eating every day. Akagok. I don't know if they are still using water to cook or they are fried. Because if you open the pot of soup, if you see the plate where they are eating, meat and fish everywhere. I never knew that life can turn this fast. I never knew that table can turn this fast.
I told you now. I told you that life is unpredictable. Now look at you. You have lost it all. You have lost everything.
Wait. Are you trying to say that I have lost it?
You're asking me? You have lost everything now.
Hey! Ha! See, Ikenga, I'm ashamed of myself. Oh no, if I'm a woo, shame on you or no, shame on you. I'm supposed to be in charge. Why did I do this now? How can I face this? I need help. Makatuku, I need help. What can I do? Because I need to belong. These people, they are the one holding the flag now. I need to belong. If that side, I need to belong. Tell me, what can I do?
Onoha, you don't have a choice, though. The only thing you can do now is to go and apologize to your wife and her daughter. Go and apologize to them so that you can start reaping the fruit of your labor.
No, don't tell me that. How can me, a homie or no, go and apologize to beg my wife and my daughter? That is an insult. How can I do that?
Onoha, if you want to enjoy the fruit of your labor, it's better you swallow this your cheap pride, just put it aside and go and apologize so that you start enjoying with those people. Do you understand me?
This is fuck up. This is if I was with a fuck up. How can I just go? Not that I don't understand what you are saying. But I don't know that my wife I don't know if there is a stone, if she swallowed stone or iron. Do you know that I went to them? If you see, they were eating indomie. Even indomie. Makatuku, even indomie. I was looking for that idiot that called herself my second wife. I don't know where she hid my umbrella. I was looking for the umbrella. And I saw these people eating indomie. If you see indomie, if you see egg, I went to them. I was petting my daughter. I was calling Meme. I was calling her Meme. My wife, I was calling her IJ. I put baby. Look at it, Joma. I'm suspecting that they planned that thing because they did not eat inside. They brought it outside just to get at me. The thing caught me. I was looking at it. I said, has it gotten to this extent? Do you know what I devised means? I was calling IJ baby. If you look at the way they look at me, they did not even send me. That small girl was looking at me because of Indomie. Now you are saying I should go and beg them. Do you think it is easy? It is not easy because she swallowed stone. I don't know.
I know how. You don't have a choice, so you just have to swallow your pride and apologize to them so that you can start reaping the fruit of your labor.
Which labor are you talking about? She's not even laboring to do all these things to make this money. Very easy. She will just bring leave. Just bring leave like this. She will do like this. You're not like as if she's doing film. You understand? Now she will do like this. Something that is very simple. She will do it so that she will deceive us as if the thing is difficult. She will do like this. Do like this. Do. I don't know where she got that thing from. She will go just put. The person will wake up. Very easy. I need to be in charge. Because if I am in charge, I will change this thing. You understand? I need to be in charge. So, because of the money involved in this thing, I will do I will go again and beg them. But you have to follow me. Because even I am working, I'm a man. Because if shame will not allow me. This is shameful now. It's so embarrassing.
Why are we friends if I cannot help you in this condition?
You will go with me, right?
Of course I will go with you.
Because once I take over, I'm going to change the whole thing. Because they go too much. The money involved in this thing is too much. And they are not utilizing it. Sometimes they will be begging them. They take money and they will say, the girl will say, no, that they did not ask her to tell, which don't sense. You have power. This sickness, you not even go. Because as long as this sickness continues, money is flowing. Once I step in now, I will open register. And I will knock price. If your son is dying, if you are 50% to die, we have the price for it. 70% to die, on where price, yeah? 30% to die, on where price, yeah? You know, sometimes they blame people that are already dead, though. That one, charge. If your son or daughter is dead, then call charge. You will keep buying one or so bad. So just let us go there. Arrange the whole thing. They accept. I know they will accept. Then I will take over.
I will go with you.
You will go with me.
I will go so that you give me my percentage.
Which one is percentage again? We have to leave that percentage. Let us beg first of all. After begging, they will begin to talk about this. You say we are friends.
I don't understand you. I will talk of percentage.
Have a percentage. First of all. Have percentage. Mommy, your plan.
Oh, my daughter, your hair is very rough. I'll try to look for somebody that will make your hair. And you look very beautiful as someone.
Please, Biko, have mercy upon me. Biko, two of you should just forgive me. I am sorry for everything that I have done. Everything. I brought my friend so that he will come and follow me and beg. Biko, I'm sorry. Biko, please.
You're sorry. You came to apologize to us. You brought your friend to come to apologize to us. After all the wrong you did to me and my daughter. Papa Meso, after all the wicked things you did to us, you came to apologize. This beautiful daughter that God gave to us, you called her worthless, useless, idiot. There was no name you didn't call this your daughter. You called her all sorts of names. You never even cared if we existed. You were treating us like anything you like. You treated us like an outcast.
Ma'am Meso. What is it?
What did you tell Meso that made her cry?
What I told Meso. Chiru, you want to report me? Let me tell you. If you like romance her name, if you like pamper her, that will not change the fact that she is a girl and not a boy. Yes, tell her the truth.
Meaning what?
Meaning that I cannot spend my hard-earned money. Never. A girl child. No. This is not investment. It's waste of time and waste of energy.
Ezio.
Yes.
So what are you saying? That a girl child is not a child? Is that what you're saying?
You better say what I said, though. Before you begin to jam my head with her own. I don't even care, self. What is she going to do for me tomorrow? She's just a girl. I did not marry you to give me this thing, a female child. I married you to give me boys. Look at this house. I want this house to be like a barrack. Soldiers everywhere. Not to this girl here. What is she going to do for me tomorrow? I ask you now. Even you know the truth. You are deceiving everybody, deceiving her. She's just a girl, nothing. Let me tell you. You better start making arrangements. Do whatever you can do to give me a boy. Not just a boy, boys. Because if you don't do that, I will have to go and bring another woman that will give me male children. Not this nonsense here. And once they give me male children, I will throw both of you out of this house. I will throw you out. What can I do with this? What am I going to do with this thing? Is she going to buy me a car tomorrow? Is she going to make money? You want me to invest my money on a girl? You are wicked. Nonsense. One day now, one idiot will come here and say, that he wants to marry her. They will give me Shinap. Shinap. That is what you want me to invest my money, Shinap. But if this is a boy, they will bring cars, build house here. The money is this in build house. Shinap. That is the highest they can give me. If you are reporting me, I will you are reporting me. You are not ashamed. Nonsense female child. Idiot.
Papa Meso, you treated us as if we were no humans. You never even cared if we were existing. You won contracts. You started making money. You abandoned me and your daughter. We were suffering. But you only chose to spend that money on that gold digger you called a wife. You never cared if we existed. And now you're coming to beg us. You're wicked. Very wicked.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You and my beautiful daughter should please find a place in your heart and forgive me. Biko, try and forgive me. I'm sorry. Biko. Biko.
Papa, you're wicked. You're no longer my father.
Hey. Meso. Biko. I am not wicked. I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. Biko, this is the handwork of the devil. Biko, I am sorry, please. Giovanni and Biko.
Ijoma, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive him. Please. For all the wrongs that he has caused you and your daughter, please, just forgive him. If you don't forgive him now, who would your daughter now call father? He's the only husband that you have. Please, Ijoma. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, just forgive him. Please. Just forgive him, Biko. Please.
Mama, let's forgive him. He's still my father.
Look at this, my child.
Please, please. God bless you.
Stand up. I've forgiven you.
You have forgiven me.
I've forgiven you.
Hey! Hey!
Mark, thank you very much.
My beautiful wife.
Don't do it again.
Hey! You know what, This is called for a celebration. Exactly. I will have to go inside there now and bring a good wine. We have to celebrate this. Oh, my beautiful family.
Thank you.
My fine daughter. My beautiful wife. I'm coming. See. Come and sit down. Sit down. No. You don't sit here. You sit here.
I'm coming now. Let me drink wine. Let me drink wine.
See, I will always watch his mouth. I will make sure he does not want you again.
Come.
Where are you going to?
What is it?
You're a very useless man. You're so unstable. So because your daughter has started making money with her witchcrafting, you switched over to them, right?
Cheru. Let me tell you. The one that will make me to slap you like this and to punch you like this is if you open this your useless mouth and call my Odogunwa, my beautiful, wonderful daughter, witchcraft. If you try it, what I will do to you will not like it. Let me advise you now. Let me just advise you before you name Okonyala. You better bring down yourself, go there and apologize so that you will join the moving train. You know, as they say, if you can't beat them, you join them. They were beating me. I had to switch and join. Use your head now. Use your head.
Yeah, what? I will never apologize to those fools. I would rather die than to do that.
Chico, you would rather die. Get ready to die, you. Let me tell you something that you don't know. You see this my sweetheart there? That's my first wife. I married her before you. And she will always be ahead of you. You cannot make me to throw away my beautiful wife. Ije dear. Don't do that.
Hey,
yes.
So it's about Mesoma and her mother, forgetting that I am pregnant for you with your son, your own son, Obim.
And what happened then? If you are carrying my son and so what? So because you are carrying my son now, you want me to throw Mesoma, my beautiful Mesoma away? Mesoma is first. The son will come second. Let me tell you. Better start making arrangement to go there and kneel down and beg. Because that is what you will do so that you align yourself. If you don't do that, you are on your own. Get ready to be on your own because you cannot drag me into your mess. You can't.
That means you're a lazy man. You're a useless man that you now depend on your daughter's fortune, right? Eh?
I'm a useless man. I'm a lazy man. Look at you. Me, I'm a useless man. Lazy man. If I'm a lazy man, where did I get all the money I was squandering on you and you let me call her useless mother?
Hey!
Yes,
you
your
call
useless
my
mother.
Useless,
yes,
Obim.
Because if she's not useless, she will not dash you to me. She dash you to me now. Did I pay bride price? You want me to say it? Did I pay bride price? She dash you to me. Useless. Let me tell you, the best thing you will do now is to do what I have just done. Beg so that you enter the moving ship. I will never
apologize to them.
You will not
God
apologize.
forbid. Yes. Over my dead body.
Over your dead body.
Yes. I would rather die. You see this house? This house. It will not contain us. This house will not contain us. Over my dead body, will I apologize to those fools for what? You must back away from this house. Either you back or I back. Why is that idiot? Why is he come here? I'm here, idiot.
Mama, Miss Oma.
What is it? Is there any problem?
No problem. I came to spend the night with you.
You came to spend the night here?
Yes.
You can't spend the night here. It's not me and you.
Why are you sounding like this? We have reconciled. You have forgiven me. My daughter have forgiven me. We need to be together as family. We are family.
We can't spend the night here. So what about your wife? Masiri?
Which one is my wife? You are the wife that I know. Leave that one is nonsense. You are the wife that I know. You gave me a bouncing baby. I'm supposed to be sleeping here.
No, you can't spend the night here because Masiri is your wife. She's your love. She's your sweetheart. She's everything. So go and spend the night with your Ungungunwa.
See, don't even try to say that thing again. She can never be anything like that to me. You are my sweetheart. You are my everything. Look at you now. How can I be with that? I don't even know what she did to me that made me to stop thinking about you and my daughter. But now we have reconciled. Everything is fine. She can go and die for all I care. See, if you don't want me to sleep here in this room, here now, I will hang myself here and die. I'll hang myself and die.
Papa Mesoma.
Mama Mesoma.
Hi.
Mesoma.
Papa Mesoma, you cannot spend the night here.
You are joking.
Go and spend the night with your sweetheart.
No, come on.
Is she no longer your sweetheart?
No.
She's your love. She's everything to you.
It's a lie. You know it's a lie.
Please leave me. You will spend the night. Because you see you, eh?
But this place is cold. The other place is hot.
No, this place is hot. It's very hot. It's
but
not
my daughter is here and you are here. You're back. Look at her, the way I'm sweating. Let us go inside here. is this? Why are you knocking at the door like this? Are you mad?
Eh? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You left me all alone to come and meet her. For what?
What? You ask me what I'm doing in my own house. I am here to spend quality time with my first wife. Any problem with that?
What kind of rubbish quality time is that? Eh? Don't you know that I'm feeling cold in this hammer time? I am my son. We are cold. So we need somebody to cuddle us. I need you to hold me up. What is it now?
We have pillows in that house. My own and your own. You can double them. If you are feeling cold, hold the 2 pillows. They say you can use one blanket and don't ever disturb me. Honey, I am coming. Get out of this place now. As you can see, I am busy inside. I'm with you.
It's obvious I'm standing alone, but I will not be defeated. I am going to fight like a lioness that I am. I must fight with my last blood to find out the name of this leaf. Yes, that is exactly what I am going to do. When the game changes its running pattern, the hunters changes his shooting pattern. She thinks she is smart, but I will tell her that I am smarter. They think they have the power now, but soon, power will change over. Mesoma, come. Stand here. Mesoma, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. I want to ask you something very important.
What is it?
That leaf that you normally use in treating people, where do you get it from?
I got it from the forest.
Eh? What is the name of the leaf?
Why do you want to know?
Because of if there's any emergency, so that we can make use of it. We are one family now, are we not? Okay, so tell me the name of the leaf.
Okay, the name of the leaf is Nchaleku leaf.
Nchaleku leaf. Okay, you can go.
I should go.
Get out! Get out, my friend! Nchaleku leaf. So that is the leaf she is using to treat people's disease. Okay? Nchaleku leaf. Here I come. 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 Straight to the forest. Nchaleku leaf. Here I come. Yes. Hi. Nchaleku. Here I come. Nchaleku. Here I come. Nchaleku. Here I come. Is this one? Yes. Nchaleku. Here I come. Nchaleku. Here I come. Nchaleku. Here I come. Nchaleku. Here I come. Oh, yeah. Ha! Confirm. Nchaleku. Here I come. Nchaleku. Here I come. Nchaleku. Here I come. Ha! Nchaleku. Here I come.
I tell you, the other day, the other one, I saw one boy. I was passing, and he said, "Nah, you know, don't you remember me?" I said, "I don't know you." He said, remember? I said, "I don't know you." He said, "It is my father told me that my mother murdered your mother." I said, "How can your mother murder my mother?"
Are you serious?
Just a relationship.
Yes.
Because of this one, they are serious.
You don't know.
Hey!
You don't know that money can turn somebody's life around.
No, that I know.
Madam,
Madam, drop her here. Drop her down. Drop her down.
Why? Madam,
Drop her down.
sorry, easy. Madam, take it easy.
Why is Mesoma the great healer?
Mesoma is not around.
My daughter is dying, no. I can't afford to lose this girl, no. It's only daughter I have. Mama, from university.
I will hear her. Eh? Yes, I'm here for you.
Please. If you can hear my daughter, eh? Hey, nothing will I not do for you. I'll buy you iPhone Pro Max. I'll buy you with one. I will even buy you cocoa shoe. All your pants. I'll be watching it.
Madam, it's okay. Wait for me. Let me hear her. Shift.
What is happening?
This thing is dying here. Where's the Mesoma now?
Madam, I said calm down. You want the spirits to be angry with you, right? Calm down. She'll be fine.
Mesoma should come.
Look, it's a gradual process. She's responding to treatment.
My daughter is dying. I can't afford to lose a daughter after university. Mesoma
is here.
Mesoma is here. Come. She's here. My daughter is dying. Mesoma, my greatest healer. My daughter is dying. After university, I can't afford to lose her. I don't have another one. Please.
Your daughter will not die.
He say.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Go. Madam, just calm down. Calm down.
I told you.
Hey! The great healer. My daughter is here.
You have done it again. You have done it again.
Healer of all time. Hey! Not only the great healer, she is the greatest.
Yes.
The whole West African world.
Number one.
She is the number one.
Number one
general. Mesoma, I'll pay you. I'm coming.
Thank you.
I have only 60,000. I'm coming. I'm bringing more money. Hey, take.
It's okay. She's my daughter. I'm managing her. It's okay. Your daughter is healed.
It's
Yes.
Thank you so much for hearing.
Thank you so much. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah, Chimne. Jehovah Mekaimela. Everybody mora Chimne. Akamaturo Gimbama. Hallelujah, Chimne. Jehovah Chimimela. Everybody mora Chimne. Akamaturo Gimbama. Hey.
Hallelujah.
Mama.
Sit down. What do you want to eat?
Hey.
Now tell me what you want to eat. Anything you want to eat. Only pepper soup, chicken. I will be the one to prepare it for you.
Please don't mind your daddy. Just tell me what you want to eat and I will go inside and prepare it for you.
No, allow me to serve my daughter. Allow me to serve my daughter. Yes. Mama Mesa, leave me.
Your daughter. Nebiko, come,
don't put her asunder.
I'm not putting her asunder.
This is a daughter that is more than 10 sons.
She's my daughter.
Hey!
So, you think you can lie to me? Eh? You think you can lie to me? Answer me!
Leave me alone.
I will not leave you alone. I will not leave you alone. Eh? You lied to me that the leaf you use to heal those people is incurable leaf. And you're using a different leaf. Why? Why did you lie to me? I'm talking to you. You're looking at me.
Leave me alone.
I will not leave you alone. Now tell me the truth. Which leaf are you using to heal those people? Tell me the name of the leaf. I want to know. I said, squeeze your ear now. I'll cut your head.
Mama. What is it? Ogini, why are you beating my daughter, you stupid woman? Why do you want to kill my daughter for me?
Your daughter is a liar.
My daughter is a liar. And what did she lie about?
She lied against me before her father.
She lied against you before her father. What exactly did she lie about?
I don't have time for all those nonsense questions. Don't ask me stupid questions because both of you are very foolish. You are stupid. What do you think I have no time? Nonsense. Get out. Rubbish.
Do you know you are a very stupid woman? Look at her. Ewu. Anumpama. Nonsense. Be a mess up. Tell me the truth. Did you lie to your father against her?
She asked me the name of the leaf I'm using to heal people and I told her something else.
Hey! Masiri. Wait. You mean Masiri came to ask you the name of the leaves you are using to heal people? Eh? Hey! No wonder. She just came out there and was making a big fool of herself. Rubbish woman. Look at the kind of stupid thing she did. Now listen to me, Meso. Don't ever. Are you hearing me? Open your mouth to tell anybody the name of that leaf you're using. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Let's go inside. John 1. You want to ask questions to know the leaf. That's why you claim that you can heal everybody.
What kind of leaf is this? Eh? Why did it dry so fast? Like it dries so easily. What's this? Hey, I am in trouble. Oh, what do I do now? If I had known, I wouldn't have made trouble with them. Is this how life turns around? This woman and her daughter are now making money and living soft life. Jay, what do I do? What do I do now? Should I go and apologize to them so that I will join them to live a soft life? No, over my dead body. I won't do that. But how does this girl get the healing power? I must find out how she got the healing power so that I will be healing people and be making money too. Yes. I am going to fight like a lioness that I am. I must fight with my last blood to find out the name of this leaf. I will follow her whenever she goes to the forest to get that leaf. Yes, that is exactly what I am going to do.
So that is what happened.
Yes, so nice.
I am happy.
Very,
Look at this pimple here.
Which pimple? Oh, yeah, help me to bust it.
Hey! Catch on the manicure, and pedicure.
We are call them to come.
I'm manicure, then pointed the nose. Look at my nose, look at your nose.
Which somebody's nose?
Happy, happy.
On your
What about business? Is he alone? To open a back seat. He's coming with a sick person. Somebody is sick. Somebody is dying. All right, man. Job. Let me go and help them. Let's help me. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Please don't die. Eh?
He will not die. He will not die.
Good day to you. Please, Alan is a great healer here.
Look at her here now.
Thank you, please. My son Gino has been suffering for this great illness for a long time. If you can heal him, I will reward you abundantly.
It's not in my power, but I'll do my best.
She will do her best. Help me. She will do it.
Help me.
She will do her best. Help me. Go now and bring it. Check it.
I will be back.
Okay. Go. She will be back. She will do it here.
I'll show you.
Don't worry, very soon she will be here. Once she enters this place, are you sure? I'm telling you the truth.
I will do it.
You can hear my son?
Yes.
Please, just go ahead. Do it.
Okay.
Chino, please don't die, eh?
Shift, now shift.
What is going on now? My son condition is getting worse.
Mr. Man, keep quiet. Don't let the spirit get angry.
Please, if anything happens to my son, I will not spare your life. Make sure you do it right.
You are disturbing my work. It's like I did.
I thought you said it was that. Come first, come. What is your problem? What is your problem? Why are you forcing this on yourself? You're not the healer. Miss Mama is the healer. Why are you forcing it on yourself?
My daughter is back. She's here. She's here.
What can be so long? We've been waiting for you. My son's condition is getting worse.
What is written is written on them. You can't stop what God has destined to be. Cause more you try to stop them, more it gets stronger. Gibonyi rone menan kitio. Giba jomna dune menan kitio.
Thank you very much.
True love is stronger than what you think.
It's okay.
Ukwalu agenya, oda. Undala lu agenya, oda. Ondala wewenne, ondala wewenne. Ondala wewenne, ondala wewenne. Apuramu keramu,
No, this one will clear now. It's fine. He will clear gradually.
Thank you very much.
You can go.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
Hey!
This sickness, this sickness is a blessing.
It's a blessing.
Look at the money. Look at the money.
Naya,
we are going to prepare nsala with chicken. Peres cock.
God bless you. What about Isiu?
You want to eat Isiu?
Isiu is better now. I'll buy the one that is very big.
Very big one.
But wait, give me the money. Let me help.
Okay, hold this one. Let me hold this one as the manager.
Yes, sir. I'm the manager.
Let us go inside. This place is not conducive again. Makandori.
Hey!
Wait. Who are you laughing at? Is it me you are laughing at?
As we. If we don't laugh at you, who do we laugh at? Go digger.
Pretending as if she has the gift of healing.
Sister.
Nonsense.
Hey, I don't blame you. I'm the healer.
You pretend I cannot even heal somebody.
No, she's the great healer.
Which healer? Is that small girl? That's small girl. That's small girl. Yeah.
What is still keeping her?
Don't worry. She will be here. She will soon be here.
Hey. Mana Obim, what is still keeping our daughter now? Why is she not here now?
She will come. She will come.
You this little brats. You think you can prank me? Now tell me, what is the secret to that leaf that it is only you that can pluck it and it will heal people alone? What is the secret? Tell me!
I won't tell you anything. If you like, kill me.
Hey, if I like, I should kill you. My dear, I will never kill you. I am not going to be the one to kill you. You see these two heartless men, they will be the one to go and kill your mother. I will send them to kill your mother. If you don't talk now, start talking. Say something. You're looking at me. Ah, you don't want to talk, eh? Okute, Mary, go to her mother and kill her mother immediately.
No. Don't kill my mother.
Now start talking.
I will talk.
Are you sure you're going to talk? Okute, Mary, excuse us. We want to talk alone. So we can talk. Now, tell me, what is the secret to that particular leaf you use in healing people? Why does it work for you alone?
If I don't plug it by myself, it won't work.
So if you go to the bush or wherever you go and plug it, if you plug the leaf by yourself and then give it to me, will it work? It will work, right? Okay, no problem. Good. So this one here is going to work for me. What if it doesn't work? What if it doesn't work? If it doesn't work, I will kill you and kill your mother. Do you understand me? Okay. Okute! Miri! Make sure you put an eye on this little brat. Don't let her escape.
She's small, man.
She's very smart.
I'm smart in that.
I cannot hear your voice. Just maintain this.
What is going on? Where is she? My daughter is very weak.
I will heal her.
Nne, please. Did you see the healer on their way coming?
The healer is here. I am here to heal your daughter.
Hey!
You are healed.
Hey, Shimo! Thank you, God, I thank you.
Hey! Obim!
Ha! Obia!
My sweet wife.
Ha! Obia!
The great healer, thank you so much for healing my daughter. Please take this 15,000 naira.
Ah! 15 what? What will I use 15,000 naira to do? For what? This is too poor now. It's too poor?
Yes, it's too poor.
But the other healer, take whatsoever that given to her as a reward.
I cannot take 15,000 naira. What I am going to take right now is 100,000 naira cash.
Hey! Shimo, 100,000? Is that not too much? Please, I lost my husband. She's all I have.
Madam, listen to me. Nothing is too much for the life of your daughter. Nothing is too much. Go and look for money. Go and look for money.
Okay, no problem. My daughter will be here. Let me go and look for the money.
Make sure you look for that money. I give you 1 hour. Else.
Madam, come here. Come. Bring this one first. Bring the 15,000 first. Let us hold this one. Go and look for the remaining money. When you come, you take your daughter. Before you put wooden cap, I call it gas. Go and look for money.
1 hour. Okay. 1 hour. Else, I will return this disease.
Come here. Sit down here. Sit down here so that I watch over you. If you try any nonsense here, I will use slap and return that sickness back to your body now. Nonsense.
Hand over.
What?
Hand over.
This, But it's our money.
For who? Our or mine? Who is the our? Did you managing who? Who are you? Give me that money, my friend. Who are you managing?
Why are you changing like this? I thought this is a family business.
What? Let me hide it here. Which is family business? If your eye enter here, I will blind it. I will choke my hand inside. For what? Which family business? Huh?
Come down.
Who are you managing? Who are you managing?
I am not.
Obi. Why am I even calling you Obi? For what? For what? What did you do? Which work did you do here? Bia, take your time. Just take it. If not, I will able you.
But you tried though. I never knew this would work. You know, when you were doing that thing, I was seeing the mess of mine in you. You did it like this. Did it like this. I never knew it would work. And you press it, she did. You tried. Smile now. That network. Because of money.
Okay. I'm back.
Can I go now?
Yes, you can go. But let me warn you seriously. Don't let anyone know about what happened. Not even your mother. Are you hearing me? If anybody asks of the leaf, tell them that particular leaf is dried up. And make sure if they bring anybody for you to heal, you will leave. Then, I will leave too. You will pluck it, give it to me by the roadside. Then I will carry it and give it to them and heal them. Do you understand me? Don't you ever heal anyone when I'm not around. Are you hearing me? Else, I will squeeze you. Do you understand me? Okay, good girl. So keep this to yourself. Don't let your mother know about this.
She don't hear Abi. Then you think I talk. Calm down. Smally. Abi.
Run!
Quiet. Also.
And you can't walk. Run!
Now, wow. See this small girl. How far is it? Where you go be now? Better things, Abi. I trust you. A correct woman.
Which one? Because how far
a correct woman. She dey game. A better customer. She dey game. Don't worry. She go deliver.
Now my money.
She go deliver.
I know they use money joke.
What is happening? Where is she?
No, I can't find her. Oh, I don't know where she is.
How?
I have looked around everywhere. I can't find her.
I don't understand. Where did she go to?
I don't know.
Hey! Look where.
Mesoma. Come. What happened to you?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? We have been here waiting for you. We have been waiting for you here. Where did you go to? What happened to you?
Nothing.
What's about nothing again?
Hey. Are you sure Mercy has not done something to my daughter? What
is going on?
Hey.
After here since...
Hey, come here. You witch. What did you do to my daughter?
What do you mean, what did I do to your
daughter?
What kind of stupid question is that? What kind of stupid question is that? Oh! Because your daughter has failed. That is why you want to put the responsibility on somebody. Because she cannot deliver again. My dear, you think she's the only one that has the gift of healing people? No! I also have the gift of healing anyone from birth. That was what my mother gave to me. To heal people. I have discovered a leaf where I can heal any kind of sickness. Yes! As a matter of fact, Your daughter, the tree that produces that leaf, that particular leaf that heals people, has dried up. Mesoma, am I lying?
Hey!
I know now. Hey. Oh, it is my turn to shine. Allow me to enjoy myself. Hey, allow me to enjoy myself. Hey, allow me to enjoy my. Hey, allow me to enjoy my. Hey, allow me to enjoy myself. Hey, hey, I'm the one holding it.
Bia. Dukwanya. I hope you saved enough money from all the money she has been giving you.
What kind of stupid question is that one? Eh, Papa Meso? What kind of stupid question are you asking our daughter? I'm here talking about what Masiri, your useless, stupid wife, did to my child. You're here talking out of sense.
Don't tell me that. Nobody did nothing to anybody. Don't blame anybody. Were you not here? She agreed that the tree died. Is it not? Is it her that the master that killed the tree? Let me tell you, I am trying to help you, so that if you hid the money somewhere, go and bring it out now. No, I can see dry season coming. But the dry season, the bomber caution, case motor caution, because now that the tree is dead, there is no source of income again, nowhere to make money. And you know me, I don't even have cover to give anybody. Even if I have, I cannot give to somebody that is not productive my money. I have nothing to give to you and your daughter. Better go and go for the money. Anyway, you keep the money. You have been eating meat, you have been drinking, you have been eating indomie. All those money, you need to go and bring them back. Because the kind of hunger that will hit two of you now, I don't know where you will. Let me just go and be with my wife. This time around, it's going to be hot. What?
Hey!
Hold your mother responsible.
Papa Meso.
You have been giving her money.
Do you know you are a useless man?
No problem.
You are a shameless man.
Shameless man, you.
Fear!
Fear, go on.
God forbid.
Forbid you. Forbid you.
Look at you.
Forbid you.
Useless.
If you did not save money, that time you will see what is useless.
Nothing will happen to me and my daughter.
Nothing will happen, Abi?
Yes, nothing will happen.
Thank God. Let me be with my wife.
Shame will catch you.
Me.
You will be put to shame. Surely you and that your useless good digger wife will be put to shame.
Let me tell you.
If
she's the one holding flag now, no? She's the one. She's the healer now. Anybody that is healing is the person in money.
Don't worry.
You can see how money will begin to flow. Hey. I will be the manager. I'll manage her.
Hey. My God must surely put you all to shame. All of you. Hey. Meso. Are you okay? Do you have anything to tell me? Meso, man. Well, that's for another day. Hey. This is my husband. No problem. God forbid, I'll never call you my husband.
What are you doing here?
What is it? My sweetheart. Popping up in on Egovin, the greatest healer of all time. Ow. You are the gifted child, the shining star. Your star is shining. That's why I love you. This is my wife. Dukwanya, you are enjoying it. Dukwanya, if I want to deku. This is my brand. How did you know this is my brand? You have consumed 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you have more. So that I sit down and enjoy.
Get out from here. What nonsense.
What is it?
Shameless man.
What now? Why are you doing this? Is it because of this small misunderstanding that we are having? Let me tell you. In marriage, you need to learn this to know. There must be misunderstanding if a marriage will work. You have issue, you settle issue. You have issue, you settle issue. They say, we break up, we make up. We break up, we make up. We broke up. Now, let us make up. Let us forget about all these things that is happening. We need each other at this critical time. Let me tell you. See, forget about these people. We need to come together. We talk as one and plan modernize this thing that is happening now. There is something important we need to know. That healing leaf that you discovered, how did it happen?
Onoha.
Yeah?
How is that your business?
It should be my business. It should be my business. Let me tell you. This thing now, we are supposed to work hand in hand. Like they do in football. And they have manager. I should be the one to manage you so that we package the business. It should be a joint venture.
Onoha.
You can't do it alone.
Onoha.
You need me.
Onoha.
What is it?
If you don't leave this place, I will strike this bottle. No. And when I strike it...
No, don't strike the bottle first. Bottle. It has not gotten to that.
Onoha.
We are talking about family business. Let us sit down first. Drop this.
Onoha, if I hit this bottle...
No, don't hit.
Onoha, you're still here.
No.
You're still here. Useless man. Shameless thing. You want to eat from where you did not work from. Imagine, Just came to spoil. In fact, Onoha, you are in fact, you are a devil. You just came to spoil my mood. I was just in a sweet mood. Hell, life is good. My mother has struck it. Why are you knocking at my door like that?
I want us to go inside.
Go inside to do what?
Let us go and discuss. I want us to discuss.
Let us discuss it here. We can't go inside.
Are you trying to chase me out of my own house? This is my house.
I don't understand. Onoha, you have not been sleeping here. You have always been sleeping with your first wife. For some time you have not been coming here. Onoha, please. I don't want any trouble. Go back to that woman. Go back to your first wife, Onoha. Leave me alone.
Stop this now. See, me sleeping there does not mean that I'm just doing it for nothing. I did that so that she will not feel totally dejected. You understand? Now that the mission is over, mission accomplished, I have come back to my joy giver. You are my happy.
Who is your joy giver? Huh? Who is your joy giver? Onoha, before I blink my eyes, get out. Leave this place. Onoha.
Go down first of all. Listen to me. You need to understand all these things. You need to understand all these things. See, I don't know what happened. See, I don't know what that woman did to me. Since I started sleeping in that place, I don't sleep at night. Very uncomfortable place. You understand? That woman and her daughter, they are witches. Because they bewitched me. I don't know what they did to me that made me to look away from you, my sweetheart. And I don't even know. Sometimes I look at myself and say, oh no, what did you do? Oh no, how could you do this? Oh no, how you left your wife, your sweetheart. Oh no, how you left beautiful Angel, the greatest healer of all time. You left her and you are sleeping with that woman. That stinking room. That is, I am back to my senses now. I prayed. See you yesterday. I prayed from morning till night, fasting. And that while I was praying, the thing did boom from my head. I realized myself.
Child.
Let us go inside and complete the discussion.
Onoha.
Yeah.
Onoha. Onoha, before I blink my eyes, Onoha, I want to see that you have disappeared.
After all this interaction here, let us finish the discussion inside.
Onoha.
I have quantum of discussion to.
Onoha, you are still here. You are still here, Onoha.
What is it?
Onoha, I will skin you. I will destroy you. I will set blow for you, Onoha. Oh, who? I will shout, Onoha. Leave here.
What is it?
Leave this place. Onoha, you are still here. Just imagine. This man will not give me peace in this house. Hey, what kind of problem is this? This man is just frustrating me. Huh? I can't have my peace because of Honor. What is it? What is it? Just leave me alone. Go back to that your useless first wife. Rubbish. Nonsense. Bombastic element. Idiot.
Go and meet your first wife. I don't want to see you close to me. Go there and come here now. Don't see what I'm doing. Rubbish.
What are you doing here?
This one you are sounding like this.
So, Papa Mesoma, you have the guts to come to this room to sleep after talking ill about me before Masiri. Yes, you told Masiri that I and my daughter that we are witches, that we bewitched you, that staying around me makes you uncomfortable. So what are you doing here?
Mama, me?
No, Mama.
Say all those things? God forbid. You know I cannot do that. I can't say those things about you and my daughter. I can't do that. Not me.
Not you.
Yes.
Papa Mesoma, do I look to you like a fool? Adegenke will not marry her. Look, I heard everything you said, loud and clear. You will never come to this room to sleep again. This is the last time.
But this is
get
my
out.
House. But this is my house. This is my house.
Come on, get out of your house.
Come on, get out. I should get out. Look at my. So, if I go into this extent, lock me out of my house. This one lock the door. This one lock the door. Where am I going to sleep? Look at my. Hey. They locked me out in my own house. In my own house. That fool locked the door there. This one again. So it has gotten to this. What am I going to do? Sleep outside? This is not happening. This is not happening. What have I done to myself? So I'm going to sleep outside like this. Ha! Because I will not name one offense. For where the animal don't even matter here. Wait for a minute. Stay here. If anything happened to me, I can't do it. No problem. Let me stay here. Let me sleep here. It's my fate. No problem. That's her.
Papa, good morning.
Miss, come. Is it true that that tree that is you are using to heal people, that it is dead?
Yes.
It is dead. Then don't greet me again. Shift. Don't greet me anywhere you see me. Turn the other side. Don't greet me. I don't want to hear you again.
Ezioku. Papa Mesoma.
Mama Mesoma.
Why are you saying this to our daughter? Huh? So because the tree has dried off, you will not answer our daughter's greeting again? I'm even worried that Masiri must have done something wrong to her. And you're saying this to her.
Why won't I say this to her? Why won't I say it to her? Why would this idiot here allow that tree to die? So I could get up on it. Why would she allow it to die? Okay, let me guess. You have been the one concealing it, hiding it. Now, why did she not tell me where this tree was? So that I will go there and be watering the tree so that it will not die. Hey. Now it is dead. Let me make it clear. Now that the tree is dead, I don't want to listen to her. I don't want her to greet me again. No more. Don't greet me again. Nonsense.
Ezioku, Papa Mesoma.
Mama Mesoma, Ezioku.
Hey. So because the tree has dried off, you will not answer Mesoma's greeting again?
Not just how, even you. Even you that is talking, I don't want to listen to both of you again. I will not listen to your greeting. I will not answer even you that is talking. Because the tree is dead, the love that we have together is dead. Everybody should stay on his own. I am on my own now. What am I even saying? I am now going to reconcile with my sweetheart. Pinom, Odala Mecha. You know how sweet or that. What did you even do to me in the first place? You, look at idiot like you. You had the God to lock me out last night. Because of what? Both of you don't have value again for me. The tree died, the love died, because there is nothing to gain here again. The flag has changed.
Hey!
Tofia
Ole Nkegoma.
You are a useless man. Iwa hewu. Ibu nketa ala.
My son name.
Omanga kwale.
Tofia!
God forbid.
God forbid.
Nebiko, come, let's go inside.
Go.
Useless man.
Go.
In short, I don't even know the name to call you.
Whatever you want to call. Onoha nketa ala. That is Onoha. Today na akwo. Onoha nketa ala. That's my son name. Nonsense. Both of you are useless. There is no money again. I'm changing direction. There. Onoha nketa ala. Let me go back to my sweetheart.
What are you doing?
I want to wash your dirty clothes.
Who asked you to wash my dirty clothes?
I saw them very dirty. So I decided to wash them so that... Because I don't want you to stress again. You know, I don't want you to stress our... Look at my baby. You know, this is my baby boy, my son, inside there. I don't want you to suffer again or to stress my baby. Look at you now, very beautiful. That is it.
So, it is now you're realizing that I am pregnant with your son. Obim, you abandoned me for that your useless first wife. Huh? Obim, child. Obim, you keep breaking my heart. I was lonely. I felt so much pain.
If you ask me, I don't even know what that woman and her useless daughter did to me. I don't know what they used on me. They just diverted my attention from my beautiful wife.
Obim, it's not fair.
No, it's not fair. See, I don't want you to suffer again. Henceforth, if you want to come out from the house, I will lie down, you walk on my body. Don't step your foot on the ground. I don't want you to suffer. You are my queen. Look at now, I'm very beautiful.
But what you did to me,
I will not do it again.
you hurt me.
Cajon. Customer. If I are customer. Oh, customer. Business, customer. Customer.
Where is the great healer I heard about?
She's the one. I am the one.
Oh, are you the one?
Yes.
Please, my wife has been very sick. I've taken her to different hospitals, different herbalists, but all to no avail until my cousin here, Okute, directed me to this place.
Can I see your wife?
Okute, bring her out from the car.
Jesus. Just the one.
Okute, be fast.
Fast.
Easy.
Look at the beautiful woman. Hi. Easy. Take it easy. Critical.
I can heal your wife. you have to give me the sum of 200,000 naira.
Eh? That's too much now.
Modo.
Please, my dear, I'll give you the sum of 100,000 naira.
Mbamba. Please, not negotiable.
Please consider him. He's my cousin.
Ah, hold it there. There is no sentiment in business. Look. You have to give me that money, 200. In fact, I'm going to increase it to 500,000.
It's okay.
1 million.
It's okay. Please, there's no problem. I'll give you whatever you demand. I'll give you whatever. What matters now is the life of my wife. Please, if you know what you can do to heal her, please do it now. Fast. Please.
Go. Just calm down.
Stop walking. Fast, we don't have time. Give me. Make sure you don't tell anyone about this. Are you hearing me? Good. Let's go.
She's not going to die. Fine woman. Very soon she will be back.
Where is she? What is she keeping her now? What is keeping her?
She will soon
Where
be
is
back.
she?
Look at her here. But here.
Yes, no noise.
No noise.
Spirits are here. Everybody freeze.
Greatest healer of all time.
Number one.
My beautiful wife.
Number one.
Egovin.
Honey.
Hey.
Number one. The champion.
Honey.
Go.
Get up.
Go.
Hi. Number one in Africa.
Number one in Africa. Number one in Africa.
Okay,
you are not two.
Hi.
You are not two.
Hi.
She's healed.
Jesus. She is healed. She is healed.
Everything. Oh, Jesus, I'm happy.
The money.
My dear, you are so amazing. Yes. Okute, give me the bag of money fast. You. Jesus. You deserve more than this. I never knew there is such a wonderful healer in Africa.
She is the one.
You are so amazing.
Only one.
Jesus.
Go.
I appreciate you.
Number
so
one.
much.
Number one. The champion.
The champion.
Let's go. Number one.
Number one.
The champion.
Number one.
The champion.
How do I look? Guys, how do I look? I hope I look fine. Come on. Beautiful babe. This is your favorite queen. Yeah, the queen of the East. All right. Okay, guys, I'll call you back. All right. Bye.
All right. Call you back. Yeah. So you are the one speaking this grammar?
Of course.
Jesus. I never knew that you can speak all this English. You.
Hey, levels has changed.
Changed.
We're not in the same level.
You know what? When did they buy this phone? Which one is this one?
Yeah, this is iPhone 11 Pro Max. Very expensive.
11 Pro Max?
Of course.
iPhone?
Uh-huh.
You are using iPhone?
Uh-huh.
You know what? When did you buy this? You know what?
This is Peruvian hair.
Peruvian?
Peruvian.
Hey, woo.
It comes in dollars.
Dollars?
Pounds.
Hey.
Euros.
Hey. You are going out?
Uh-huh.
You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Well,
I'm going for shopping, and from there, I'll be going to my friend's birthday party.
Birthday party?
Of course.
Okay, I don't have issue with that. I don't even have any issue with that. No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
But first of all, you just have to clean my nails.
Clean?
Yes, clean it. Let it look sharp.
You don't have to say it 2 times. You just open your mouth and say clean. How am I going to make clean? I'm going to clean. Okay, John? Yes.
Clean it.
I'm doing that.
Let it shine.
It is shining. It is shining.
Then after that,
yes.
You have to massage.
Say no more. Say no more.
How?
Just say massage. Wait. I know what to do.
Okay.
That is my area.
Massaging.
I'm doing that.
Wait, don't make noise. My cabman is. Hello? Yeah. Where exactly are you? Okay, you're close? Alright, just drive down. Drive. Alright, I'll be with you, Charlotte. Okay, no problem.
Are you the one speaking all this thing? You say rah. Shut it. I'm a lucky man.
Yeah, of course.
Look at the way you are speaking. Not that useless idiot there. That one, that. Look at the way you are speaking. I am so lucky to have you.
We are not in the same level.
I know.
We are not in the same level.
I know.
Okay, so I'll see you later.
Wait. There is no money in the house. We need to cook soup. Nah, it's buffet.
Okay, let me see what I can do. You know, this is what we call mint. It goes like.
Good.
Of course.
Good.
All right. This is more than 20,000 naira.
Of course. Of course.
So go to the market.
Yes.
Prepare me ofe egusi.
Egusi soup.
Yeah, egusi. Okay, egusi soup. Yeah. Prepare it. Make sure you use goat meat. Garnish it. You know, prepare it nice. And then if there's any change, you can keep it. We don't take change.
That is why I love you. That is why I love you.
All right. I'll see you later.
All right.
And make sure you clean up the house.
Clean the house.
Tidy up everywhere.
I'll do that.
I don't want complaints when I come back.
I do that.
All right.
All right.
See you there.
All right. No one. You jelly dogu. No one. Look at the one, you know. Not that one. That fool. That fool that does not have money. I am lucky. I am always at the right place. At the man of the father. Even now, I'm by your back.
Back to square one. Look at them. You can never get to my level. You see? Look at them. Going to farm, working. Nothing for you. It is my turn to shine. It is my turn to enjoy myself. Take a good look at my hair. Peruvian hair. Can you buy it? You cannot afford it. And look at my phone. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Can you buy it? No, you cannot buy it. It's my time to shine. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Oh, please get out of my way. Oh, duh. Low life.
My dear, come, let's go inside. Don't mind her.
Omo, that woman dey carry us dey play o. She dey carry us dey play well.
Just dey respect you. Don't run inside her. Okute, me. You said you wanted to see me. What is the matter?
Yes, we need our own 10 percentage for the deal.
Which deal? Which deal? Huh?
Madam, wetin be your problem?
Ha, eh?
You dey whine me? You don't forget the other man who carry come your unit the other day. When you heal in daughter, you are being wife. Now the man meet you 200k. Madam, wait. You guys give us 100k. Me and my man share am 50-50.
Normal. See, you are supposed to be happy that I healed that man's wife. Yes, you're supposed to be happy. I did not disappoint you people. Besides, they are the ones that are supposed to compensate you, not me. Eh? What nonsense?
Okay. I dey say for your body say you dey very greedy.
Imagine.
Abi, I can see that you're a very greedy woman. But don't forget to make this old deal to work out for you. Don't forget.
See, I'm not owing you 1 naira. I am not owing you.
Okay,
so mind the way you talk to me, oh.
Madam,
what nonsense?
Madam, see, I know they like carry money matter play. I know they play with you. Don't give us money, man.
Shut your mouth. I give you back hand. Just imagine. Take your time. My husband is waiting for me. It's already late. Take your time. I'm not owing you.
Mary, leave this woman. Leave am. She go learn. She go learn the hard way.
Now, wow.
Leave am how they go.
See, I just respect you.
Leave am how they go. Leave am. Leave am how they go. Leave am. But they calm down, no guy. They calm down. See, we go teach that woman lesson. We go teach am better lesson wey be say she no go ever forget. We go let her know say person wey chop alone go die alone.
Now you cause this thing, Okute.
Calm down.
Okute, I tell you don't use money.
Make me calm down.
Make I calm down. Okute, make I calm down.
See.
Okute, I don't tell you time to that number. I know they carry money play. I know they use money play. You just tell me calm down, calm down.
They calm down. They calm down. Your blood too. They
why I go calm down? My conscience they judge me. Why I go calm down? Anytime I see that small pikin carry that pure water for head with the mama, my conscience they judge me. I go feel so emotional, and I me cause am. Now me and you put them for that condition.
And that useless woman no even fit compensate us for what we don't do for her.
Now you cause am. You say calm down. I go down run inside that woman. I go down run inside that woman.
Why
I no go para? For money matter. This is it.
Come. How you doing now? See, come, carry this thing down first.
Give me, let me carry.
No. Now here be there. Keep am for here first. See, Mercy, I want tell you say, if you continue with your healing, you hear me? That healing where you dey release so, continue am. No fear anybody. We dey your back. You dey hear me so?
But you say you kill my mother.
No. Hey, Mesu, come. See.
Nobody will kill your mama. In fact, for this town where we dey, they never born the person. If not, make I die. Nobody fit try am near your family. Nobody fit touch yourself, let alone touching your mother. Not when I'm still alive. Did you hear me? Just be a good girl. Just the waka, they do your thing. They heal people. You understand? They do your thing. No find trouble, oh. Anybody will find your trouble, I go carry am for head. Come tell me, I go deal with the person. I go do anything. But again, you see that your stepmother? That woman is evil.
Very evil.
Avoid her.
Very
you see that leaf where they pluck, they do healing. If you pluck her next time, no give her. No even allow her know anything about the leaf again. Yeah? Now be a good girl. Okay? Come carry your water, they go, yeah?
Fast. We could buy all this one. We'll just buy it.
Oh, more money come first.
Good girl.
You dey select the money. Give me everything where they here. Now you cause all these problems. See this one. Give me.
Take.
Me collect here.
See, guy, you go dey calm down, no. You
Calm
go dey calm down, no.
With your money. You're welcome.
Good girl.
Yeah, put this one on your head so it's not fall. Go home, yeah?
Continue your healing, yeah? Now God give you the gift. No be woman be.
Nice girl, child.
useless, stupid woman. Get up, eh? So, you think you can take what belongs to my daughter? Eh?
Meaning what?
Meaning what? So you think the truth will not finally come out? Huh?
Wait, what is this mad woman talking about?
Mad woman.
Of course you are.
You are the one that is mad.
You're stupid.
Masiri, it is you and your family, your generation that is mad.
Imagine.
Nonsense.
What happened?
Nonsense, woman. Nonsense.
What is it? Khalifa, what is happening?
Papa Meso, this stupid thing, this thing you call a wife, this gold digger went to plan with some bad boys to threaten Mesoma. And they threaten her that if she ever exposes their secret, that they are going to kill the mother. Look at what your bad wife did. Bonya, Wanya.
Which secret are we talking about?
Mesoma, tell your daddy.
Can I go now?
Yes, you can go. But let me warn you seriously. Don't let anyone know about what happened. Not even your mother. Are you hearing me? If anybody asks of the leaf, tell them that particular leaf is dried up. And make sure if they bring anybody for you to heal, you will leave. Then, I will leave too. You will pluck it, give it to me by the roadside. Then I will carry it and give it to them and heal them. Do you understand me? Don't you ever heal anyone when I'm not around. Are you hearing me? Else, I will squeeze you. Do you understand me? Okay, good girl. So keep this to yourself. Don't let your mother know about this.
I don't understand. But it is the same you who confirmed the other day that the tree dried up. Is it not you?
That is what she asked me to say.
Oh, did you hear her? Did you hear her?
Okay.
You this woman.
She asked you to say that. Now, why are you suddenly having this boldness and you expose the secret? Why are you not afraid again?
Nobody will kill your mama. In fact, for this town where we dey, they never born the person. If not, make I die. Nobody fit try and near your family. Nobody fit touch yourself, let alone touching your mother.
Hey! Okwa master, if I carry, wait I want to ask you, all these things so cool back, are they true?
Bia Obim, what is it? Stop listening to this little brat. She's a liar.
You are the one who is a liar. You
No,
are a liar, a bloody one.
This is not the matter of bloody liar and not bloody liar. Because from everything that she said here now, you can see the truth. But wait, for me, I want to ask you again. Is she saying the truth? Talk to me.
Hey, Bia, stop asking me such stupid question. What is it? Do you think I have time for you stupid idiots? I don't have time for you.
Stupid idiots.
Wait. I know what will settle this matter. Because from the look of things now, I don't know who is lying and who is telling the truth.
My daughter cannot lie.
I will find out.
My daughter cannot lie.
It
is your gold digger wife who is lying. She's the one who is telling all the lies.
You are not going to tell me who is lying. I have my plans. I will set the plan, and once it clicks, I will know who is lying and who is saying the truth. For now, can you take it?
Plan setter. The next time, if
try me. I will kidnap her.
You will kidnap her.
I will kidnap her.
With this young cancer. Nonsense. My brother is dying.
No. Hey, Master.
Please help me, I'm my only brother.
Stop shouting. They are not going to know me. Come. Can I be Master? Come. See, we have a situation. Madam, it's okay. Now, we have a situation at hand. Ocha Jana. Now we are going to know who the healer is in this house. We have a situation. Come and do your magic. Eh? Perform magic. Come and heal her.
Wait. I don't understand. No, I don't understand. Why would you compare me with this little brat?
I am not trying to compare you with anyone. I'm just saying, come and do your work. You are going to pay.
Yes, I will pay.
I go involved. Come and do heal this boy now.
Ow!
Where are you going?
Please, excuse me.
Excuse me. Come and heal.
Excuse me, please.
You are running.
Please heal my brother, please.
I can heal your brother.
Eh? What did you just say?
I can heal your brother.
You are no longer the healer. You don't heal again. Are you sure you can heal my brother?
Yes.
Okay. There is no doubt in trying. Okay.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming. If this one happen, let me see what will happen. Just calm down. Let us see what will happen. Hi! This one ran away. Okay, we are going to see. I will be here today. What are you going with? Clash of Titans. Every day. I'm the healer. It's okay. Wait.
Oh my God. I know you will never put me to shame.
My mother is you.
You will never put me to shame. You are the greatest healer.
The greatest.
Shame to my enemies.
Shame to our enemies.
My mother is you.
You don't know this girl. You don't know this girl. Shame to our enemies. Shame to our enemies.
No one can compete with
Nobody can compete with her. Hey, my daughter.
Hey, God will put all our enemies to shame.
Let me tell you, God will put all our enemies to shame.
Please, I have a token for you. Please.
No, I don't need your money.
No, you need it. It is a form of... I don't even know what to say. Please, I'm short of words. Okay.
Your mother, your father, your father.
Thank you. Thank you.
Adamneya. God will continue to put all our enemies to shame.
God will put all our enemies. I am not an enemy.
Come on,
my daughter.
No,
relax. Let us know how to organize this thing. How did you do this thing?
The healing tree has been cut down.
No. How? By who?
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? What is the meaning of this? How can somebody... Who cut the tree? Do you know anything about this thing? God knows I'm not the enemy. How can somebody cut this tree now at this point that the flag is coming back to my beautiful daughter? Who is this enemy? Who is doing this to me? This thing can't be true.
What is written on them. You can't stop what God has destined to be. Cause more you try to stop it, more it gets stronger. Keep on running, men and kitty.
What is it?
Obi, come and massage my body.
I should come and massage your body. As a physiotherapist or as your houseboy.
As my lovely husband.
As your lovely husband. Me, massage. You don't have respect.
Hey.
I should leave where I'm going to and come and massage your leg. As what? As your houseboy or what?
Oh babe, this thing you're doing to me is not fair. Is it because my money has finished? It is now you realize that you are no longer my servant.
Thank God you know that your money has finished. Itireti. You don't have kobo. If you don't have kobo, you still have pride. Is it not madness? You don't have money, you still have pride. You still want me to come and massage you. You turned me to your houseboy when the money was there. I was just doing it because of the money. Now you don't have anything. You still want me to come and remain as your houseboy. I will slap you now with tape plaster na this rough building. Idiot. When the money was flowing, you were busy buying iPhone, buying long hair, the one that is water, buying all those nonsense. Now where is the money? You can't do all those things. You are sitting down here, lying down here, telling me to massage your leg. Massage you worry about animal. What?
Oh babe, this thing you're doing to me is not fair. It's not fair. You are forgetting that I'm carrying your baby boy.
You are going to born Jesus Christ, Abi? Eh? No, tell me that you want to born another Jesus Christ. Is it not the same baby that other people are giving birth to, you're going to give birth to? Don't ever try to blackmail me with this nonsense baby boy of 18. And this baby has even passed 9 months. I'm counting it, it's more than 11 months. Hey. What are you going to deliver this baby? Every day, baby boy, for more than 11 months.
Look at him. You're just a useless man, lazy man. Just talk for nothing. Do I blame you?
Mesama, do not be troubled. There shall be no more disease in this land again. The ancestors and the gods of this land has flushed them out. You found favor in our eyes, in the eyes of the gods and the eyes of your ancestors. You are destined to be great. You or she had decided to uplift you. You would not lack again. Your father will receive a favor that will change your lives forever. But before that is done, the evil woman in his life must be taken out. The same-evil woman was the person that cut down the hidden tree. Little did she know that it was too late for her. Look up. Look up and see how she did it.
Never it can happen. For what? It can never happen. Yes, Okute and Mmiri has done their worst. I will never allow that little brat and her mother be ahead of me. It's not going to be possible. Nobody will have access to this leave. I would rather do the worst than for me to be humiliated by those idiots. Never! 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 Nobody will have access. Nobody will have access to this. Nobody will have access. will have access to this leaf. Rubbish. Yes! It's finished.
That is what she did. But I tell you, it was too late for her. You have been chosen to be great. She is so evil. You must expose her. Now go. Go.
Who is that wicked woman? Where is she? Come out here. Masri, come out here.
Who is that? Eh? Meso. Who is that small brat calling my name? Are you not afraid? Huh?
You cut down the healing tree.
Hey! Me? Cut down the healing tree? You must be very stupid.
Masri.
Yes. You cut down the healing tree just to get at me. You are evil.
Hey! What did you just call me? How dare you call me evil? Are you enough? You're very lucky. She wants to kill me. This woman, no! Because she cannot be a male child. Oh, babe, she wants to kill me. See what she did to me. She wants me to lose my child.
Wait. Yeah, Miss Oma. You want to kill my male child? My baby boy?
She's not pregnant.
Hey! What's wrong with it? What do you mean by that? How?
She's not pregnant.
She is. What's she saying? What's she saying? What?
Did I hear it well?
Hey! Hey!
What?
Hey! Chineke! Masri! So you're not pregnant?
Masri?
You're not pregnant? Masri!
Hey!
No wonder! You have been lying to me! Hey, I said it now! How can somebody be pregnant for more than 11 months? More than 11 months! And I'm going to you have been deceiving me! You have been deceiving me! You are going to leave this house today. You are it? No, wait. We don't have anything in common anymore now. The only thing holding two of us has been this baby boy. Now the baby boy is out. There is no more relationship. No more marriage.
I'll die.
Die.
I'll die.
Let me tell you, it's better you just die on your own. Because if I kill you, you will die 5 times.
Hey!
Stand up! Get up now!
I will die.
I don't have anything with you again.
Obi, I will die.
The baby boy is gone. Come
Obi, I will die. Obi,
go inside now.
Okay, I will go. I will die.
Go and pack your things.
Okay. Obi,
Hey! Pack your bag. Carry your bag. Carry.
Am I dreaming?
Carry your bag.
And I'm not long.
Hey!
Somebody wake me up. Somebody wake me up.
Hey! Engineer. Yes, I submitted the contract. How much? 180 million.
Hey!
180 million.
Hey!
Somebody should wake me up. Somebody should wake me up. Hey! Somebody should wake me up.
180 million.
Somebody should wake me up.
Hi, sweetheart.
I'm Malolo.
180 million.
180
million
naira.
We are rich. We are rich. Thank God that table is out.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
She's out. Hey! Hey!
What is written on them. You can't stop what God has destined to be. 'Cause more